Now we are going to distribute the prizes for the unit test 2 toppers. Just bear with us for 10 minutes. Class teachers, please help the LKG and UKG students to come forward and to receive the prizes.
Unit Test 2 rank holders from class LKG, Aditya Raj. First rank holder, LKG, Aditya Raj. UKG, Shalvi Kumari. Those whose name is being announced, students kindly come. I would like to request the Secretary Sir to come and honor, give this reward for the students. LKG B section, Aditya Raj. UKG A section, Shalvi Kumari. Class 1 B section, Saim Raj. Class 2 Section C, Ojasvi Kumari. Class 3 Section B, Hans Raj. Class 4 B section, Navdeep Gill. Student, come fast. Class 5 Section D and C. From class 5, section D and C. From class 6, section C, Aradhya Singh. From class 6, section C, Aradhya Singh. Class 7. From class 7, section A, Suryans Parmar. From class 8, section C, Satyam Anand. Class 8, section C, Satyam Anand. Class 9, C section, Ayush Kumar. Class 9, C section, Ayush Kumar. From class 10, B section, Sogil Raj. From class 10, section B, Sogil Raj. Second rank holder from class LKG, section B, Aditya Mehta. From LKG, section B, Aditya Mehta. From UKG, Section A, Samyak Siddharth. From class UKG, Section A, Samyak Siddharth. From class 1, Section A, Advik Kumar. From class 1, Section A, Advik Kumar. From class 2, Section B, Ritu Raj Kumar. From class 2, Section B, Ritu Raj Kumar. From class 3, Section B, Adira Singh. From class 3, Section B, Adira Singh. From class 4, Section C, Adityanand. From class 5, Section C, Nancy Nanan. From class 6, Section A, Vivekanand Kumar. From class 7, Section D, Srishti Ranjan. From class 8, Section B, Sakshi Kumari. From class 9, Section C, Ayush Raj. From class 10, Section B, Damini Bharati. Third rank holders from class LKG, Section A, Anvi Singh. From class LKG, Section A, Anvi Singh. From class UKG, Section B, Sivam Kumar. From UKG, Section B, Sivam Kumar. From class 1, Section C, Bigu Kumari. From class 1, Section C, Bigu Kumari. From class 2, now I would like to request guest of honor kindly come on stage and honor the students. From class 2, Section B, Joins Kumar. From class 3, Section A, Angel Kumari. From class 4, Section C, Aditya Kumar Gaurav. From class 4, Section C, Aditya Kumar Gaurav. From class 5, Section A, Sika Kumari. From class 5, Section A, Sika Kumari. From class 6, Section C, Tejveer Singh. From class 6, Section C, Tejveer Singh. From class 7, Section A, Asta Kumari. From class 7, Section A, Asta Kumari. From class 8, Section C, Abhigya Sri. From class 8, Section C, Abhigya Sri. From class 9, Section C, Gaurav Kumar Singh. From class 10, Section C, Ananya Kumari. Fourth rank holder From class LKG, section A, Anvi Yadav. From class LKG, section A, Anvi Yadav. From UKG, section B, Alina Tarigu. From UKG, section B, Alina Tarigu. From class 1, section C, Ayush Kumar. Class 1, section C, Ayush Kumar. From class 2, section A, Om Raj. Class 3, section C, Aditya Prakash. Class 3, section C, Aditya Prakash. Class 4, section A, Abhimanyu Rana. From class 4, section A, Abhimanyu Rana. Class 5, section B, Ars Raj. Class 5, section B, Ars Raj. Class 6, section A, MD Ismail. Class 7, section C, Saksham Kumar Singh. Class 7, section C, Saksham Kumar Singh. Class 8, section A, Kabia Asap. Class 9, section C, Nancy Kumari. Class 10, section A, Suraj Kumar. Suraj. Thank you, sir. Now, to honor fifth rank holder, I request Principal Ma'am to come on stage to honor the students. LKG, Section B, Aradhya Kumari. LKG, Section B, Aradhya Kumari. UKG, Section A, Ans Kumar Singh. UKG, Section A, Ans Kumar Singh. Class 1, Section B, Tanishka Singh. Class 1, Section B, Tanishka Singh. Class 2, Section C, Rajit Raj. Class 2, Section C, Rajit Raj. Class 3, Section B, Jasmine Kumari. Class 4, Section A, Shreya Saurya. Class 4, Section A, Shreya Saurya. Class 5, Section B, Anushka Singh. Class 6, Section B, Aman Prakash. Class 7, Section C, Asus Ranjan. Class 7, Section C, Asus Ranjan. Class 8, Section A, Mubasra Pravij. Class 8, Section A, Mubasra Pravij. Class 9, Section A, Tanveer Sugail. Class 10, Section C, Dipanshu Kumar. Thank you, ma'am.